Hey friends, imagine hiding your smile for years because your teeth looked dull and yellow from coffee, tea, and staining foods. That was me, until I discovered 4 powerful kitchen remedies that transformed my teeth in just 1 week. No expensive strips, no painful dentist visits. Today I'm sharing exactly what worked: apple cider vinegar, activated charcoal, lemon, and coconut oil pulling. The results? My dentist was speechless. Stick around for the full routine, before and afters, and pro tips.
Our advanced 3D model shows exactly how the natural ingredients target and dissolve those stubborn yellow surface stains.
Watch as our natural ingredients go to work, breaking down those stubborn stains, leaving your smile bright and radiant.
Apple cider vinegar and lemon break down stains with acidity. Activated charcoal absorbs toxins like a magnet, and oil pulling pulls out bacteria for that fresh glow. First up, apple cider vinegar. Its acetic acid lifts stains like magic. Mix 1 teaspoon raw ACV with 2 teaspoons water. Swish gently for 30 to 60 seconds after brushing, then rinse thoroughly. Use 3 to 4 times a week max. I saw noticeable brightening in 3 days, but dilute it or it can be too strong. Next, activated charcoal, the black magic for white teeth. It binds to stains and toxins. Mix powder with water or coconut oil into a paste, brush gently for 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Rinse well. Your sink might be messy but your teeth would be sparkling. Many report instant polish. Can be a little abrasive, so use sparingly to avoid enamel wear.
Now, lemon juice. Lemon is a citrus powerhouse. The citric acid and vitamin C scrub stains away. Mix fresh lemon juice with baking soda or salt. Apply to teeth for 1 minute with a soft brush or cotton. Rinse immediately. Use once or twice a week. My teeth looked brighter fast. Pair it with the others for max results.
Now, oil pulling with coconut oil is game-changing. All you have to do is swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily, first thing in morning. It reduces bacteria and lifts stains off gently. Spit into trash bag and do not swallow. I did this every day and my breath and teeth whiteness improved dramatically. Safest daily option.
Follow these simple steps daily. Oil pull, brush, rinse, and hydrate. By day 7, you'll reveal your brightest, most confident smile yet. Here's the exact routine that got me results. Week 1, noticeable lift. By day 7, bright, confident smile. Check my reel before and after.
Here's the exact routine that got me results. Morning coconut oil pull, apple cider vinegar rinse 3 times a week, charcoal brush 2 times a week, lemon once a week. Then brush normally twice daily. From day 1, you'll see a noticeable whiter lift. By day 7, bright, white, and confident smile.
That wraps up our look inside the body. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below for Inside Body 3D Anatomy. Thank you for watching Inside Body 3D Anatomy. If you found this helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more content.
Results are amazing, but listen, these are for surface stains. See a dentist for deep issues. Stop if sensitivity hits. Maintain with good hygiene. So which remedy are you trying first? Comment below, like if this helped. Subscribe for more natural hacks, and share with friends who needs to see this. Thanks for watching. Smile brighter today.